Alright guys, welcome back. Moving on from where we stopped in the second video, I showed you how you can add your accounts and how you can set your bank account details up on the side, because that is where you'll be receiving your payment directly from other participants. You are not sending money to any sites. You are not converting your money to anything. You understand? And I also need to tell you that if you are registering on this site and you decide to provide help, it doesn't mean that you are paying or dropping the money immediately. So that is the essence of this third video. I'll be showing you how to provide help and how to get help. So let's move on. Now, how do you do that? You go to your dashboard. Don't forget that I told you that if you log in to your MMM account, this is what you will see first. That is your dashboard. That is where you see all the activities going on in your account. When you are matched with people, that is where you see it. You see the people's account details and other stuff. So this is your dashboard. Don't forget, I want to show you how to provide help and how to get help. Can you see this? This is provide help. It's in green box. This is get help. It's in orange box. Now provide help, that is just these two terms, provide help and get help, are just the terminologies used in this forum. It simply means that this is where you invest and this is where you get your investments and your interest. So how do you provide help? Once you log in, this is what you will see first, because that is the first icon. So you click on provide help. Now, when you click on provide help, take for instance, I want to invest 100k, and don't forget I told you that this is where you can earn your sure 1% daily, and at the end of 30 days you have 30%. Is certain. Now, if for instance I want to provide help of 100,000, you click on provide help, you click on this, you check it and go to the next stage. Now when this comes up, you can see Nigerian Naira, because we are registering in Nigeria and we are using our local currency. That is why we have this, and that's another thing that made this site so interesting. You don't need to convert your money to any foreign currency. And then you click on other bank. You can either click it here or here. It's the same thing. So you click on other bank, then you go to next. Now when you click on next, you have something like this. That is the amount you want to provide help with. Now because this is a trial account, I want to try it with just 10,000 naira. I'm trying it with 10,000 naira. After this video, I'll be showing you my personal account, live account, where you will see how I've invested hugely in this program and then how I've made my first 46,000 naira from this program. So this is 10,000 naira. Then you select it here. If you want to invest 100, you add another 0. If you want to invest 1 million, now this is no joke. I know some people who invested 1 million naira and after 30 days they got 30%. And if you calculate that, that is 300,000 in 30 days. That is it. Go to the home page, see people's testimonial. You get to see what I'm talking about. So I'm providing help of 10,000 naira as an example. Then you click on select. When you click on select, you see something like this, leftover distribution 10k. Now that is then the amount again without comma. Can you see? 10,000 naira. That is your current, and it will be growing at the rate of 30% per month in your Mavro account. Don't forget I showed you what Mavro is the other time. Then look at this place, get a bonus of $20, $50 or $100. Now if you actually need this bonus, look at the condition under it. They said $20 bonus will be credited you for a contribution from $50 to $500. And if you don't withdraw your money earlier than 2 weeks, the bonus will be if you withdraw your money rather earlier than 2 weeks, it will be cancelled. Then $50 for the amount of 500 to 3,000. And if you don't withdraw within 30 days, it will be cancelled. Then 100 and so on like that. Now, for instance, my very first investment with these people was 100,000. I mean, it's 100,000 naira, and I got bonus of $50. And by the time they released the bonus for me after 30 days, the $50 was converted to about 9,000 something. Excuse me, almost 10,000 naira. I'm still going to show you all these things in the next video. So let's move on. So you click on this if you actually want to get bonus, and that will be generated in your Mavro account. So you click on next. Now that is next. They said 10,000 naira Nigerian naira current at this percentage. Attention, your request can be cancelled before the order is matched. Once it is matched, you will not be able to cancel the request. Now, what they mean here is that once you enter this, you can still cancel it. Maybe after like 10 days, if you have not been matched, you can still cancel it. But once they have matched some participants with you to send this 10,000 naira to, you cannot cancel it because you have been matched already. And if you attempt to cancel it, they will block you from the site totally, because this site is built on trust. And see, you have nothing to fear, because if you send money to participants, they have to confirm it. They have to come online, you confirm, and they confirm that they've received the money from you, and that concludes the transaction. And immediately you too can also decide to get help. So their own confirmation confirming your payment is dependent on their own sources. That is why there's no gimmick about this. So let's just move on. You click on the code here to finish the process. This is Mini-Yo. I think I'm right. So once you do that, you just click next. Yes, your request was added. Please wait for it to be processed. Now, I love this statement. Wait for it to be processed. What does it mean? It means that from now on, the 10,000 is generating cash for me at the rate of 1% daily. Now, guys, it doesn't mean that I'm sending 10,000 naira to somebody right now. My money is still in my account, it's still in my pocket, but it has started generating something for me. Though it might be little, 1% is little, but 1% after 30 days, that is sure 30%. I bet you there's no bank in this country that can give you 30% on any investments you want to have with them. The highest they can give you is 6-7%. I know what I'm talking about. I deal with them. So, and they can give you the 7% or 6% they want to give you is going to be per annum. So if you are a student of mathematics, you should know what I mean. That is so little. So from now on, your money has started growing. So when you click OK, your dashboard, now look at the change. If you notice the changes on the dashboard, you see that this is coming up. That is my request to provide help. This is the participant name, that's my name, the amount 10,000, then the date I created this is it. Then my request has been received, wait patiently to be matched with another participant. Now this matching could be after 14th day, it could be after 10 days, it could be after 20 days, it could be after 25 days, it could be after 27th day. Now what I want you to know here is that the higher the amount, the longer the days you are going to be matched. Take for instance, my first 100k, I was matched on 27th. Do you know what that means? It was on 27th I sent out the 100k to the participants matched with me. So it means that I only waited for just 3 days, even when the money was out of my pocket. It was after 3 days that I had to wait and request to get help. And in less than 48 hours, I got all the payments from all the people matched with me. That I will also show you, but that will be from my account because this is a new account. I'm just showing you how to provide help here. To get help here, we can't do it because it's a new account. This one has not really matured. I have not been linked. That's why I can't use it. But I will show you my personal account in the next video so that you see how I requested for help, what is going to appear on your dashboard by the time you do that. And once again, I also want to tell you, from the moment you do this, you keep checking your account every day. You keep checking your MMM account every day to see if you have been matched with other participants. That is when you will now have to send your 10,000 naira out to those people. It's not that you are sending it from now. Now, don't you think it's even good that you pray that, okay, they don't even match you up with other participants on time, so that you wait for a long time before you be matched? That's when you'll be paying out the money to the person, so that you have little time to wait. Look at what is popping up here. They said this, I'm reading what is in this yellow icon, not this green. I can't scroll to it that because it will disappear. Now look at it. The status on the dispatchers waiting list means that things are so good in the system that there is nobody to provide help to. That is PH. It means that providing help requests are much more than getting help. That is why you need to wait a little bit, but don't worry about that. Your Mavro have started to grow. That is, your Mavro started growing from the moment you do this. Now, you set up your offer to give assistance to someone. So, why all the hurry? It is much better that you have your money in your wallet while your Mavros are growing. Isn't it? So that explains what I just told you. That is it not better for it to even wait, as in for it to take longer time that you'll be matched with other participants to send your money. So you have nothing to fear. This is real, and this program has come to stay. Because if you check the home page, this country is in over 118 countries in the world, and you see seminars all over. I'm still going to show you where you see different centers in Nigeria across the country where you can walk in and attend a free seminar where they will also give you more details about it. So that is that as per getting help. Once you do this, just log out and go to bed. But ensure that after saying your morning prayer, you check your MMM account to see how your stuff is going. So once you do this, in your Mavro account, you will see the activities. Let me show it to you. Before now, our Mavro, there was nothing in it. But now, because I've shown willingness to help with 10,000 naira. This is it. Then this is the bonus, $20, registration bonus. Can you see it? They said on current date, that is 20 Mavro USD. Then this one is 11,302. That is on this day. That is release date. That is 5th of July. If I'm right, that is exactly 14 days after today that we are creating this account. I will have 11,303 after 14 days. Don't forget, if you calculate 1% of 10,000 every day, after 14 days, this is exactly almost what you are going to see. That is half of the day. That's why you're having 302. So, if fortunately this account is released on 14th, this is the amount that will be there. And you can decide to, after sending the money to the people, you can decide to wait till that 30th day. So on this future, by the time they release it, this will turn to blue. On future, that's where you see how much it will be after 15, 20 or 30 days. Now look at this. The Mavro is always credited on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 00 GMT. So don't be scared. If on Monday you can't see this increase after they release it, on Tuesday they will have everything together, and Thursday you see everything. So that's all about providing help. Thanks, buddy. We'll see you in the next video.